Next step, we want to learn how to use if function and apply conditional formatting. This is inventory number. If the number in stock is less than some number, for example, 125, we should put some new order to refill the inventory. Then we can use Excel to get a remand message. So it's stock level. And go to formulas, logical if function. For if function, we have three arguments. First one is the conditional logical test. If it's true, we'll return this value. If it's false, we'll return this value. So in this example, we want to test the A11. The A11 should be in this logical test, A11. If it's less than 125, then it's less than we need to put the order. If it's okay, we put the okay. Means if it's bigger than this number, we'll put the okay. So we can say we get the okay because we have 200 this number. We can copy this function to other cells. Just use the autofill, point to this position, hold the left button of mouse, drag down to the end of the column. Then we copy this function to all those cells. You can say we have OK, we have order. We can check, say, OK, it's 100. 10, it's 95, so the function is right. Sometimes we want to highlight the order, use different color. So we can use conditional formatting. So first we select this range. Then go to Home, here, conditional formatting. Use the first one, highlight sales rules, and choose this one, text that contains. If it's order, then we can highlight, use different color. We can change like a different style you want. Just choose any style you like. You can say this will more easy. We can find what kind of like items we need to refill. That's about the function and the conditional formatting. Next, we'll learn how to use Excel table. Here we have a data range. It's not so easy to read because different rows have the same color. An efficient way to format a data range is to use Excel table. On the home, go to Format as Table. You can choose any style. We can choose this one. And Excel automatically detects the range of the table because we select inside the data range. So Excel detects the range for the table. Also, because in the table we have here, my table has header. So because we have header, so we need to select this option. Click OK. You can say as a table for different rows we have different color, so it's easy to read. We also have some function here for each header. For example, like a retail price, we can sort smallest to largest here, and we have a small sign over the button indicating we have some sorting. We also can change in different way. Like we can change it from the largest to smallest. Here is a filter. For example, we can do the same thing for a category. We can sort from Z to A. This is text. This is number. And also we can, again, we have some sign here. This is sorting sign. We don't have on this anymore. Also, we can use the filter. For example, we click this. Here we have 5 category. We unselect this. We're only interested in this one, so select it. You can say only display message for this category. We also have a sign here. This indicator will have some filter. We can select again, then we get all of them back. If we want to convert the table into a normal data range, we can go to here, Table Tools, Design, here Convert to Range. We get the window. So do you really want? Okay, yes. Then here we get the data range again. It's not a table. Finally, we'll learn how to format and print a large worksheet. So we have a kind of big table here. If you want to print out, we'll go to File, Print. Here we can see a preview of the table. You can see because the table is kind of big, so we have 4 pages. For other page, because it's too big, so we have something like this. It's no good. So we can go to Page Layout. We can select the orientation, change to Landscape. We can go back to Print Preview again. You can see here we include all the columns, and we only have 2 pages. And also sometimes if we want to print all information in one page, we can choose scaling here. This situation we don't have scaling, but we can fit the sheet on one page, choose this one. We get a very small, but we put everything in one page. Also we can choose this one, fit all columns on one page. Means we just include all the columns. Or here we have all rows. That's just what we get from the whole worksheet. So that about the options for printing. Then we finish this teaching video.